Hello everyone. So guys, I hope that you all are staying safe, and first of all, thanks to all of you for joining us in the today's demo video. And guys, this is Drishti with Make Web Better, and I welcome all of you to Make Web Better sessions of demo videos and tutorials. So guys, what's going to be in the today's demo video? So in the today's demo video, we are going to introduce all of you to the plugin for your WordPress website, and that's integration with Mautic for WordPress. But guys, before I proceed further in the today's demo video, as I always do, I would like to request all of you to do subscribe to our channel, and especially if you are new to Make Web Better's YouTube channel, then do subscribe right now so that you won't miss out on any updates on the video tutorials from Make Web Better. Guys, I would also like to say that as soon as you do subscribe to our channel, or as soon as you're going to put the feedback, your thoughts, your queries in the comment section, then we actually get to know that to what extent we are able to deliver help to you, and to what extent we are able to give you the right solutions. So it's very important that you not only subscribe to our channel, but you also put your queries, your thoughts in the comment section. So guys, I hope that you do subscribe to our channel and put your thoughts in the comment section. So guys, let's proceed further with the today's demo video, and first of all, let me give you the basic definition of this plugin. So guys, now it's time to understand that what is integration with Mautic for WordPress. So guys, integration with Mautic for WordPress is a plugin that will help the business owners to connect their WordPress websites with Mautic. Now the main objective of the integration is to help the business owners so that they can sync all of their customers' data on Mautic with the help of Mautic forms and integrations. Now integrations that will help you introduce the registration form and comment form on your WordPress website, with the help of which your customers can reach out to you by filling them. Now this will definitely enhance the lead generation rate on your WordPress website, and this will also result in the proper syncing of your customers' data on Mautic CRM that will help you to capture your leads and develop the right strategy to nurture your customers with the help of personalized marketing and the campaigns. So guys, having understood the definition of the plugin, it's very advantageous to also analyze that if you are the owner of a WordPress website, and if you're going with the marketing automation platform such as Mautic, so this step is definitely going to help you effectively understand the actual actions of your customers on your WordPress website, and this will help you develop the right business strategy, and that eventually will help you convert your leads into the regular and the potential customers. So guys, this was the basic definition of the plugin. Now as soon as we'll be proceeding further in the today's demo video, you will get to understand that how this plugin is going to work on your WordPress website, and how it will help you grow your business, how it will help you convert your leads into the regular customers, how can you capture your leads information with the help of Mautic forms and the integrations. So guys, let's proceed with the demo video. So guys, now we have started the demo video, and the first thing that you have to do is you have to move to your WordPress dashboard, and as you can see guys, this is the WordPress dashboard, and on the left side navigation bar here you can see the Mautic integration plugin. So guys, I would like to know that till now if you haven't downloaded the plugin and installed it on your WordPress website, I have mentioned the link in the video description content that will help you download the plugin on your WordPress website. And moreover, if you found any query or problems regarding during the plugin setup, so you can put your query in the comment section, right? So we'll feel glad to help you, and if you need any kind of assistance during the plugin installation, you can put your queries right in the comment section. So guys, as soon as you have set up the plugin on your WordPress website, you need to click on Mautic integration right over here. Okay guys, so now we are on the section of the plugin, and here you can see that these are the different tabs. The first one is connection, next we have dashboard, third is Mautic forms, integrations, and then setting. So I will be demoing you each and every section separately. So first of all, let's understand that what can you do with the help of connection tab. So guys, over here you can see the status as connected, because we have connected our WordPress website with Mautic, so that is why it is showing the connection status. And I'll show you that how can you reset the connection and build up the connection between your WordPress website and Mautic. Next is the authentication type, and next is here we have the admin email. So basically you'll be able to get your email being appeared over here. So if you want to reset the connection, so simply you can do it over here, and we have also given the button of test connection. So clicking on this button will help you get the clear idea whether you have successfully connected your WordPress website with Mautic. So it will show you the connection status. Fine, so let's click on the reset connection and see what happens. So guys, as soon as you are going to click on reset connection, you will be redirected to the section from where you can re-establish the connection between your WordPress website and Mautic. Okay guys, so now it is showing the connection as disconnected. Fine. So now let me show you that how can you build up the connection. So first of all, you have to select the authentication right from here. So here in the drop down you can see the two options. So let's go with the basic one, and from here you need to mention Mautic URL. So this Mautic URL basically you will be getting it right from your Mautic CRM. Fine. So let's enter Mautic URL, and next we have the username. Here you have to mention your username, and then you have to set the password. And as soon as you have mentioned all these things over here, you need to click on save. So guys, as soon as you are going to click on the button of save, you will be able to successfully build up the connection between Mautic and your WordPress website. Okay guys, so here we get the notification of success that we have successfully built the connection between the WordPress website and Mautic. So guys, as you can see, the status has now been changed to connected. So guys, this is how easily and quickly you can set up the connection between your WordPress website and Mautic. So it just requires a quick few steps. So now the next section that we are going to move ahead is dashboard. So guys, let's click on dashboard and see what you can analyze over this dashboard section with the help of our plugin. So guys, now we are on the dashboard section. So guys, from here you can see that from here you can select the date, that is from to the date range for which you want to analyze your customers' behavior on a WordPress website. The next section is created leads in time. So this section will basically show you how many leads have been created on your WordPress website with respect to time. So this is a graphical representation of that data. You can visualize and you can better analyze the leads engagement rate on your website with the help of this section. The next we have page hits in time. So guys, this section will show you how many website pages have been hit by your customers during their visit. And next we have form submissions in the time. So guys, similarly over in this section, this graphical representation will show you that how many forms have been submitted by your customers with respect to time. So guys, next we have top segments that will show you the different segments in which the different contacts have been assigned. And then we have top creators. So in the top creators, you will see the details of the people who have started syncing their contacts over Mautic CRM. So this is basically showing this data. So guys, this is the dashboard section that will help you understand each and every action of your potential customers on your WordPress website. As soon as they are going to fill Mautic forms, you'll get to know over here through these graphical representation. So basically Mautic will help you capture your leads information with the help of Mautic forms. As we move further in the today's demo video, I'll show you that how can you enable the Mautic forms on your WordPress website and how can you work with that. So guys, this was all about the dashboard section. If you have any doubt, you can ask. So this will help you get the clear picture, and this will help you have the deep insights about your customers' behavior. Next, let's move on to the Mautic forms. So guys, the feature of Mautic forms that we have given in the plugin will strongly help you capture the information of your leads and the customers who are visiting your WordPress website. So with the help of that, you can understand their interest, you can understand their actions, and based on that you can build your next marketing strategy so as to nurture them further. So now we have opened the Mautic form section, and guys, over here you can see these are the different columns that is featuring the Mautic forms. The first we have Mautic form ID, next we have the form name, next we have status of the form, next we have shortcode, and then view. So guys, starting with the first column, it is showing you the IDs of the different forms that have been created. Next, these are the form name. Now before moving to the detailing of these forms, I would like to tell you guys, all the forms that you are going to create on your Mautic CRM, you can see the log of all those forms right over here in this section of the plugin. So it will completely depend upon what kind of actions you can expect from your customers on your WordPress website. Based on that, you can create the forms on Mautic on your Mautic CRM, and then you can publish them, and then you can see the complete listing of all those forms right over here. So this plugin is going to help you save a lot of time, and it will help you create the forms and publish it for your customers. So guys, as you can see, these are the different different form names. This is the status which is showing that yes, they have been published over the website. And the next the most important thing is shortcode. Now these shortcodes are going to be very helpful for you, and they are also going to save a lot of your time, because guys, with the help of these shortcodes, you what you can do is you can introduce motif forms anywhere you want to introduce on your entire WordPress website. So what you have to do is you have to use these shortcodes and place on the position where you want to introduce the forms for your customers. Next column we have is of view. So guys, here you can see that these are the two buttons, view and edit. So with the help of view, you can you can visualize the preview of the motif form. So as soon as you click on this button, you will be able to see the form preview. So this is how it will look. Now similarly for the different forms, you will have the different previews of the different forms. And next we have, for example, if I click on the view button of the new form, let's say you will be able to see the preview of new forms. So similarly this process is going to be repeated for all the forms that you are creating on Mautic CRM and publishing it for your customers. The best part over here is that, guys, we have introduced the button of edit. With the help of this edit feature, if you want to introduce the changes in your form depending upon your business needs and the requirements, you can do it right from here. So just you need to click on this button of edit and you can edit the form based upon your requirements. So guys, this is how you can create the forms on your Mautic CRM and publish it for your customers on your WordPress website. And from here you can see the preview of each and every motif form that you are creating for your customers. So guys, this is how motif forms is definitely going to help you capture more and more information of your leads and help your customers reach out to you more easily and more effectively than before. Now next we are going to move with the next feature. So guys, now we are moving ahead with the next functionality of the plugin, which is integrations. So let's click on this tab and see that what integrations feature is going to provide you. So guys, as soon as you have clicked on the integration feature, as you can see, here is the name. The first column that you can see is a name. Next we have the description, and next is the status, and then we have settings. So guys, these are the default integrations that you will be getting along with our plugin. The first integration is for a registration form. That means that if you're going to enable these two integrations, you will be able to introduce registration form and comment form on your WordPress website. So guys, here you can see the names. That the first is of the registration form, and then we have comment form. Here is you can see the description of these two integration. So guys, here you can see the description of these two integrations, like if you're going to enable these integrations on your WordPress website. So you will be able to introduce registration form and comment form on your WordPress website. Next you can see the status. Right now they both are enabled, so that is what you can see in the status of these two forms. And next we have settings. So guys, what can you do with the help of this settings is, if you want to make any changes, so guys, if you want to edit or make changes in the configuration settings of these two integrations, you can do it right from here. So let's click on this setting for registration form, and let me show you that what can you do with the help of settings for the registration form integration. So here we have opened the registration form, and guys, as you can see right now, this is enabled. So that means from here you can decide to enable or disable the registration form integration. If you want to enable the integration and introduce registration form for your customers, you have to enable it right from here, otherwise you have to go with no. Next is implicit. Now what is meant by implicit? So guys, if you want your customers to get subscribed to you without being asked, you have to select the option yes, otherwise you have to go with no. So right now we have selected the option with no, because we want them to get subscribed to us explicitly. Then we have checkbox label text. Here what you have to mention is, you have to mention the text that would be appearing on the checkbox label on the front end, that is on your WordPress website to your customers, right? Next we have pre-check checkbox. So guys, over here if you're going with the option which is yes, so this checkbox will get selected by default. Otherwise, if you want the customers to decide first, so you have to go with the option which is no. Next we have segment. So guys, over here you have to select the segment in which you want to assign your different customers. Fine. So as you can see, this is a list of all the segments that we have created. As you can see that this particular segment is for all MW affiliates. Next we have is for all MWB bounced segment. Next we have, so these are the segments that we have created for our clients and customers. So guys, likewise you can also create the different segments. Now this particular segment functionality of our plugin will help you segment your different categories of customers and then decide that in which particular segment you have to assign your different contacts that are getting added. So from here you can select the segment in which you want to assign your different contacts. So guys, the next functionality that we have is tags. So with the help of this tags feature, you can create the different tags over here, and these tags will help you assign your customers to the different tags based upon their different actions on your WordPress website. So it completely depends upon your business needs and the requirements, what all tags that you want to have. And then after making all the changes in these settings, you have to click on the save button. So clicking on the save button will enable all the functionalities and the changes that you have made in the above settings. So guys, this is all you can do with the help of settings tab for the different integrations, that is for the registration form and for the comment form. Now guys, if you want to move back to the previous page, so simply you have to click on this left arrow button and you will be redirected to the previous page as I have clicked. So similar settings, if you want to make the changes in the settings of comment form, so you can do, and if you want to enable its integration, the same process will be followed as I told you and explained for the registration form integration. So guys, this was all about the default integrations that you will be getting if you're going to have this plugin on your WordPress website, that is integration with Mautic for WordPress plugin. So guys, this plugin will basically help, not only it will provide you the default integrations, but it will also help you have the registration form and the comment form for your customers on the WordPress website, which will help get signed up, and that will also help them to put the feedback and the queries in the comment form. So this will basically help them get more and more closer to you. So guys, now moving ahead with the next functionality, which is the settings. So let's click on settings and see that what can you do with the help of settings tab. So guys, over here as you can see, that is written enable Mautic tracking. So with the help of this, you can enable the Mautic tracking. Simply you have to enable this option, this button. Okay, and next we have Mautic URL. So guys, basically Mautic URL you can get from your Mautic CRM right from the settings and the configuration. So guys, the next functionality that we have is the script location. Now with the help of this setting, you can decide to place Mautic tracking script either in the header section of your WordPress website or in the footer. If you want to place it in the footer of the section of the website, then you have to go with the second option, and if you want to place the Mautic tracking script in the header of your WordPress website, then you have to move with the first option, and then you have to click on save button. So guys, this was all about the functionalities that we have provided in the plugin, which is integration with Mautic for WordPress. This was the demo about each and every section that I explained you, right from connection to Mautic tracking. So guys, still here, if you have any queries and the questions that you want to ask, then I would like to request you to put your queries in the comment section. Okay guys, so this was all about the today's demo video. So we have understood that how integration with Mautic for WordPress is going to work on your WordPress website once you have installed this plugin. And now it's time to understand the advantages. Okay, so the first point is integrating your WordPress website with Mautic CRM will help you get the deep insights about how many leads have been created on your WordPress website with respect to time, how many of your website pages have got the hits from your customers, how many forms have been filled by your customers. So definitely it is going to have the deep insights about your customers behavior on your WordPress website. Now the second thing is that with the help of Mautic forms that our plugin is going to provide you, you can capture your customers data very easily and effectively. Now moreover, you can also use the shortcodes that I shown you in the demo video. Using those shortcodes, you can place the Mautic forms anywhere you want on your WordPress website, and it will help your customers to reach out to you with the help of those forms. Now by default, you will be able to get the registration form and the comment form integrations. So clicking on the settings will help you configure all the settings that are required for the to enable the registration and the comment forms for your customers. Fourth is you can enable the Mautic tracking in the plugin, and moreover, now guys, you can also decide the placement of that tracking script. If you want to place the tracking script on the header of your website or on the footer of your website, so you can effectively decide it with the help of settings inside our plugin. So guys, this was all about the advantages of the plugin. So you must be observing that by integrating your WordPress website with Mautic or with marketing automation platforms such as Mautic, you can track the actual behavior of your potential customers in a much more effective way. Now this will eventually help you develop the right marketing strategy that in return will help you nurture your leads and convert them into your regular customers. So guys, you must be observing that how integrating your WordPress website with Mautic is not only going to help you capture your leads information, but it is also going to help you develop the right marketing strategy for your customers. So that is definitely going to add up to your business growth. So guys, this was all about the today's demo video, and if you found any of the queries regarding the demo videos, if you have any questions regarding the plugin setup, regarding the plugin's features and functionalities, then do write your thoughts in the comment section. We'll feel glad to help you. And guys, I would also like to tell you that in the video description content, I have mentioned all the resources, all the links to the product page of integration with Mautic for WordPress plugin. I've also mentioned the link of the documentation, and if you want to learn more about this plugin, I have also mentioned the links to the blogs. So just check out the video description, and you can also send us your queries through the ticket form. I've mentioned the link in the video description, so you can just check it out and reach out to us. So guys, this was all about the today's demo video, and till the next video, thanks for watching and stay connected with us.